Hi kids, Max worksheet for class 2 or grade 2. What comes in between? What comes in between 162 and 164? 162, 163, then 164. 163 is in between 162 and 164. Next, what comes in between 153 and 155? 153 and 154. 153, 154 and 155. Next, what comes in between 169 and 171? 169, 170, then 171. 170 is the in between 169 and 171. Next, 111 and 113. What comes in between 111 and 113? 111, 112, then 113. Next, write the place value of the underline the digit. 172. Ones, tens, hundreds. 7 is the tens place. 70. 164. 4 is the ones place, then tens place, hundred place. 4 ones. Next, 182. Ones, tens, hundred. 1 is the hundred place. Next, 102. Ones, tens, hundred. 2 is the ones place. 2 ones. Thank you kids.